In the ancient shallow waters of Lake Xochimilco, near the heart of modern-day Mexico City, lives a creature of myth and science. This is the domain of the Axolotl Umbistoma mexicanum, a salamander that defies the very rules of biology. With its serene, almost smiling face and feathery external gills, the axolotl seems like a visitor from a lost world. It is a creature that holds the secret to perpetual youth, living its entire life in a larval state, a phenomenon known as neoteny. These fascinating amphibians come in a surprising variety of colors. The wild type boasts a mottled pattern of olive brown and gold, a perfect camouflage against the lake bed. But through captive breeding we see a stunning palette emerge. The leucistic with its pale pink body and dark eyes, the ethereal golden albino glowing with a soft sunny hue, and the deep velvety melanoid, almost black in its intensity, reaching up to 9 inches in length. Their most celebrated trait is not their appearance, but their extraordinary ability to regenerate. An axolotl can regrow entire limbs, parts of its brain, and even its heart, making it a living miracle of nature. But beyond this scientific marvel lies another, more intimate story, the continuation of its lineage. As the cooler temperatures of winter yield to the gentle warmth of spring, a silent, underwater ballet begins. The mating season for the axolotl is a subtle and graceful affair, a dance choreographed by instinct over millennia. It starts when a male, driven by an ancient urge, begins to court a female. He nudges her gently, circling and guiding her in a delicate waltz across the silty floor of their home. This is not a boisterous display, but a quiet communication, a testament to the serene nature of these animals. The climax of this courtship is a unique and fascinating process. The male deposits small gelatinous packets, called spermatophores, onto submerged plants or rocks. These structures contain his genetic legacy. Now, the crucial part of the dance falls to the female. Led by instinct and pheromonal cues, she carefully positions herself over a spermatophore and uses her cloaca to pick it up. This act of internal fertilization, occurring without direct contact, is a remarkable adaptation to their aquatic life. It's a moment of precision and instinct, ensuring the future of her species in these murky waters. Once fertilized, the female begins her own solitary mission. Over the next several hours, or even days, she will meticulously lay her eggs, one by one, on the protective leaves of underwater plants. Each egg is a tiny, translucent sphere, a pearl of life cradled by the vegetation. A single female can lay anywhere from 100 to over 1,000 eggs, each a potential new beginning. She doesn't guard them. Her duty is complete. The eggs are left to the mercy of the lake, their gelatinous coating offering the only defense against the currents and potential predators. Inside these tiny orbs, a miracle unfolds. Over the course of 2 to 3 weeks, depending on water temperature, the embryos develop. You can witness the formation of a head, a tail, and the first flutterings of life. Then, the moment of hatching arrives. Tiny, fragile larvae, less than half an inch long, wriggle free from their gelatinous prisons. They are miniature versions of their parents, equipped with the same feathery gills and an insatiable appetite. Their first meals consist of tiny aquatic organisms, fueling their rapid growth. For these young axolotls, survival is a daily challenge. They are vulnerable, and the lake is full of dangers. Yet, they are born with the same incredible regenerative powers as their parents, a biological inheritance that gives them a fighting chance. As they grow, they will navigate this underwater world, carrying the legacy of the smiling salamander, a symbol of resilience, adaptation, and the quiet, enduring magic of life beneath the surface. In the ancient canals of Xochimilco, this cycle continues, a silent promise that even in a changing world, nature's most enchanting stories will find a way to be told. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the life of the axolotl. If you found this story as fascinating as we do, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more explorations into the wonders of the natural world. See you next time.